Summer, I love my vegetables, I love French food, and I want something light. What are we doing today? Of course, we are making Ratatouille. ये एक ऐसी French dish है जो vegetarians के लिए perfect है. It's very light, no cream, pretty much vegan. It is vegan. And you are gonna love the fact that it incorporates all these vegetables. I have eggplant, I have zucchini, मेरे पास है ये टमाटर, पीली zucchini, आप घिया भी यूज कर सकते हैं, and tomato and bell peppers. A vegetable dish which incorporates all this goodness and is classically and fashionably French. Well, you can chop the vegetables the way you want, but I eat with my eyes. मैं presentation के लिए इन सब्जियों को कुछ अलग unique तरीके से काटूंगा. Not really unique, just uniform, and I'm going to arrange the pieces in a nice way. अब हमने इन सब्जियों को एक perfect roundels में काटना है ऐसे. So अब हमारी सब्जियां कट चुकी हैं. You really don't have to cut them that way, but you're going to see how I'm going to present the dish, so it makes sense. Let's make our sauce quickly. It's a very easy sauce. We just heat up some olive oil. थोड़ा olive oil लिया आपने. अब French खाने में तो olive oil ही जाता है. This is from Provence, southern French, where there's less butter. That's what I feel. So as the oil is hot, I'm going to start with a couple of bay leaves. Believe it or not, French food में भी तेज पत्ता या bay leaf जाता है. ये गया हमारा bay leaf, and there goes my onion. The first thing which I put is onion. Give it a nice stir. आहा, इसे शुरुआत तो बिल्कुल इंडियन खाने जैसी हुई है. तेज पत्ता डाला और प्याज डाल दिया. But things are going to change. After a minute, we'll put the garlic in. Chopped garlic, not very fine, just roughly chopped is good. We will be using garlic later as well, but that will be finely chopped. This is just roughly chopped garlic. उसके बाद हमने डालना है ये bell pepper. This is red capsicum. You can put the green one as well. I couldn't cut the bell peppers into roundels, so I'm using them like this. All right. Now we are going to put some tomato, some sort of a tomato sauce. Now I'm using marinara sauce, pasta sauce. You can use crushed tomatoes which you get in a can, or you can use tomatoes, make your own tomato sauce. आप किसी भी प्रकार की tomato sauce जो बाजार में मिलती है वो डाल सकते हैं. Not ketchup, the fresh tomato sauce. Aha, nice. इसको थोड़ा सा जिंग लाने के लिए आई एम पुटिंग कायन पेपर. यू कैन टोटली अवॉइड इट. ना हो तो थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्च भी डाल सकते हैं, और इसको थोड़ा सा जस्ट स्टर इट अराउंड. आई एम गोना पुट सम थाइम. दिस इज थाइम. आई एम गोना जस्ट टेक दिस एंड पुट इट ऑल ओवर. This will give some freshness. Thyme herbs. You can also use dry thyme. If you don't, my viewers in India might have an issue getting it fresh in India, so you can use dry thyme. Okay, and then I am gonna put. I have lots of basil leaves here. Basil, fresh basil. I'm only using half. और थोड़ा सा basil. Awesome. इन सबको किया mix. That's how your sauce should be. Now you really don't have to cook this sauce for too long because we're going to ultimately make this dish in the oven. So sauce को इतना नहीं पकाना है. You just transfer this sauce in an oven-proof baking dish. ऐसे इसको transfer कर लिया. All right. Then we spread this sauce on the base nicely. Remember, I had kept these vegetables one by one. एक तरफ zucchini, फिर टमाटर, फिर eggplant, फिर zucchini. तो ऐसे ही हम इनके pairs बनाएंगे. एक एक पीस लेके और इनको ऐसे सजा देंगे. See what I'm doing, right? एक eggplant लिया, ऐसे बनाया और ये रख दिया. अब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके सारे पीसेस इक्वल नंबर में हो, बट यू नो, जस्ट मिक्स एंड मैच एंड मेक इट लुक प्रिटी. दैट्स द होल आइडिया. आई थिंक आई हैव लेस टोमेटोज. Here we go. Now, as our casserole or this dish is ready to go into the oven, before that we have to do a very important step. हम एक मिक्सचर बनाएंगे, उसमें डालेंगे chopped garlic. ये गया chopped garlic. उसमें जाएगी कटी हुई basil, some chopped basil, lots of chopped parsley. There you go. Some salt, some black pepper, and this olive oil. All right, nicely mix it. This is the flavor bomb which is going to flavor our gorgeous, more olive oil, why not, ratatouille. All right, so ये हमने इसके ऊपर ऐसे पूरी डिश में हर जगह ताकि ये once it bakes it's gonna assimilate nicely in the whole dish. It has to go in all these crevices of our dish. Oh, beautiful. There you go. 375 and you'll see the magic soon. So 375 and 40 minutes in the oven, there is gonna be magic and you're gonna see this dish. Look at all these vegetables. एक एक सब्जी आपको अपनी तरफ आकर्षित करेगी and you will be straight in Nice, in Provence, in France. आप ये डिश अपने घर में जरूर बनाएं, बिल्कुल हिचकिचाइए मत. सब्जियां हैं, गार्लिक है और बेसिल है और टोमेटो सॉस है और कुछ भी नहीं है. Please make sure you try this and let us know how you felt. Till next time.